Hey guys, welcome back to AmSamFam and a Happy New Year to you all. With 2021 here, finally, we've been looking back on our past year. We wanted to remember the good times. So we've put together the top 10 moments from 2020. You might recognize some of them or maybe all of them if you've seen all of our videos. Most of the adventures we've had, most of the good times we've had, we've been able to capture on video. So we'll have links to all of those videos in the description below. So if you see something you don't recognize, then you can go check out the whole video that goes along with that clip. So come along with us as we look back over the year 2020 and remember our best moments.
I'm gonna toss you one coconut. Ouch! Oh no, I stumped my stove!
Wow, a pack of 8 pillows. What a great volume!
Ooh, can I have one? Me too.
Sure.
Kasi, Lua, Tolu, Fa, Lima, Ono, Pitu, Balu, Iva, Sepulu.
So here we go again, it's no surprise, 'cause we know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, so come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh.
We're here today with a special announcement.
Because of all of you guys, our viewers and our fans, we are just about to hit 5,000 subscribers. We want to celebrate with you guys.
The morning light, oh, I just wanna be your Superman. Come fly with me, just take my hand. And now that we are cruising in mid-flight, you better watch out for the kryptonite. So come on over, we can make it through, make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do, just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. We're as we look up at the stars in the sky. Did we ever stop and wondered why we let our love shine all through the night? Just you and me, babe, until the morning light. The morning.
And those are our top 10 moments from 2020. Thanks for sticking with us. Let us know in the comments down below what your favorite moments were from our 2020, from watching our videos all year long. I think it's safe to say that we've all had some challenges during 2020, but let us know what was good about your year. And let us know what you'd like to see from AmSamFam in the coming year of 2021. We've got some awesome things planned, some great adventures to go on and to share with you guys, and also some big news coming up through the AmSamFam brand. We're in the process of coming out with some AmSamFam merch, which I know you guys have asked us about. So that should be coming out soon. We're doing a little redesign on our website that you'll be able to check out pretty soon. And some really big news is that soon our Exploring American Samoa travel guidebook will be out and available for you guys also. That's been a huge project. It's taken a long time to get it written and designed and all finished up, ready to go into your hands or into your device. Keep your eyes open for all these big changes coming in 2021. Thanks again so much for coming and joining us. If you haven't already, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit that bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos or future announcements of these new changes coming out. Happy New Year, everybody! Tofa soifua!